Hi, everyone, and welcome to another live trading series. It is Monday, September 20th. It is around lunchtime, noon, and I'm going to be showing you a few trades for this week. If we take a look at the heat map, this is the S&P 500. Everything is red, everything except Pfizer, I guess. But I'm pretty happy. I've been expecting a pullback for a few months, actually, and it's finally happening. You know, the more it increases without a pullback, the bigger like a bubble or correction will be. So these red days are healthy. It's part of the market. I do get excited when I see red because then I can sell puts and feel more comfortable. Obviously, VIX is higher. I missed my VIX play. I was waiting for VIX to hit like 15 and then I was going to buy calls. And I missed it, and VIX is up like 30% today. But let me show you what the daily chart for SPY looks like. See, every few months we get these pullbacks. These are the best times to sell puts. And then here we haven't had a big one in a while. Like I want to say, okay, maybe July we had a few percentage points, but a bigger one now in September. This is what's been expected. The Fed tapering a little. So obviously we don't know when this is going to everyone's like, oh, when is the bottom? I should sell when the bottom is, but you don't know. So I've been saving a lot of my buying power for these scenarios. I'm going to deploy a lot of cash, not all of it. I'm going to save about 50% of my buying power. If I just show you the VIX, like it is up 26% right now. What I would have done is buy VXX calls, but I missed it. So what can you do? I have a few trades lined up. AMD Strangle, Square Strangle, maybe Neo cash secured put, Riot, and then I'll see how I feel Apple or Nvidia. I might save these, if we've had a few days of red last week, I might save these for a few more red days just to get a better discount. But I'll see what's happening. If we go to Questrade, if you take a look at my AMD, these expire in 11 days. I have a Strangle 130 call and a 103 put. What's weird about this, where it says in the money, this should say yes. Like AMD actually is 101 right now. Let's go to like the 5-minute chart. AMD is 101 right now, so my put side is breached. I can be assigned 800 shares at any moment, but I'm not worried. So currently I am running a loss, but I will roll these down and further out in time. So what I usually do for Strangles is 45 days, but I'm going to only roll these out 14 days to October 15th, from October 1st to October 15th, just to give myself a little more leeway in case it keeps dropping even more. I want to continue rolling out. So I will show you what that looks like I will show you both scenarios just so you see what it looks like. So obviously I have this queued up already. When you close a Strangle, when you close an option, you want to buy back the exact ones you sold. So this is buying it back. I'm going to sell out. Instead of October 1st, I will go October 15th. So not selling out that much more in time. And then for my call, I'm going to select, I think 115. And then for my put, I think if I go 100, I should be fine. I want to sell for a credit, obviously. So I'm not getting that much here, actually. So if I sell 10, so this takes me out of the money. If we show the Greeks, yeah, so this is not the best. I do like this function. I didn't see it previously, but I might sell. If I go 101, I'd be making more for 8. And if we go just up to 75, so that would bring me right up to, it's 101 right now. I'd still be in the money even though I rolled it. Let's sacrifice a little bit of income just for a little bit of safety. So I will do this. Not making that much. Around $200. Not that good for the amount of buying power I'm deploying, but it's a credit. It's better than getting assigned at 103. So let me do that right now. Something else I want to do. Oh, got filled right away. Nice. The average price 0.26. That's interesting. A little more than what I did. So let's go Square now. I want to do Square Strangle. I will go 30 days. I'll be selling 2 of them. So if we look at the 10 delta, I think with the VIX being so high right now, I can go a little safer. So 10 looks like 220. That's the closest one, 220. So this is a little over 1% in a month, which is fine. So this is actually less than a month. This is 3 weeks. And then I should be going 280, which is also the 10 delta, I believe. 280. So this is less than 1%. Not the best. Let me just get this ready to go. Okay, so let's sell to Strangles October 15th. The call we said was 280. And then the put we said was 220. We see what that looks like. Yeah, it's almost delta neutral. I have 0.01, which is fine. Let's go up a little more. Let me sell. So this is using up around 20,000 in buying power, making $842. That's fine. Now we want to go NEO. I've been waiting. If you've been watching this for a few months, I've been trying to sell. I've been trying to get not get assigned, but I've been selling cash secured puts for NEO at the 30 strike for a few months, and it's always been working out. Right now, it's the 11 delta. I don't mind so much if I get assigned at 30. My goal is not to get assigned ever. Like, it hasn't been working out for me, but if anything happens, I can always roll these out further in the future. But 30 is a good strike for me for NEO at this time. So I will go 10. I will sell at the market, $680. There's that. Then what else did we say? I was looking at Riot. This is my risky play. Probably not the smartest move with, where is it? Where did it go? Bitcoin. So Bitcoin going down 7% today, Riot going down 5%. I wish I sold it a little more in the morning. But Riot's been slowly going down. I don't mind owning, like, I think Mara and Riot I've been selling at the 23 strike. Mara, for some reason, is a lot higher. I don't know what happened, but it's been holding on a lot better than Riot. So I will do October 15th and then 23 strike, which is, whoa, delta, 10, 15. So I kind of want to be closer to 10, but then I do want some, let me calculate what this is. So if we go 0.92 divided by 23, 4% for less than a month. That's a pretty good return for me. Obviously, this is a risky one. I don't recommend a lot of people to do it, but 4%, I'll be, for 10 contracts, that's 23,000. Let me sell. Try to get a penny more. If I sell this, $930. So those are all the trades I have planned now. I think this was like 200, 800, 600, 900, I guess. So this was 2,500 for the day. I am interested in Nvidia. It's probably one of my favorite stocks, but it just got too expensive. If we look at Nvidia further out in time, like the returns aren't as good on this. What is the So if we look at, oh wow, the delta for some reason is still pretty at 28. So if I was to go safer, like 15 delta, like I wouldn't be making any money for a month. So I might wait on these. I might wait. So it went back 5% today. I might wait for another red day. Like, I would like to sell maybe 175, 170. Those are more comfortable areas for me. Like, I'm just not making enough. This is 1%. This is a little less than 1% for a month. I'm not sure if I'm comfortable doing that. Let's see what the market is doing. I wish I was able to monitor this a little more. I lost where Nvidia was. So as you can see, it was like at 230 at one point and then coming back down. Even before their earnings, they were in the 190 range. Like, yeah, we can go back to the 180s pretty easily, I feel. But I don't mind holding this long term. Even same with Apple. Apple after their, I think there was a lawsuit settlement over here with Epic Games, which is why I kind of dropped. Could I sell the app? The returns on Apple aren't even that good. Come on. So if we go like a month out, let's say a 10% drop, what is that, 128? So if we look at 130, yeah, I'm making less than 1% for this. And that's like the 3 delta. I don't know. I think I'm going to leave that for now. I have a lot of trades planned in my head. Like these are 2 more I want to do if there's more red days. I might even do Twitter cash secured put at 55. I want to see the Twitter. If we go the daily, I want to see what has it been doing. So, so I put this like support here at 56. I wouldn't mind. Twitter at 55 would be good. It just doesn't pay that much. I'm not sure if there's anything else. Like I've been kind of scouring for more plays all day. Like again, AMD is still going down a little. If we go back to SPY. Sorry, you guys, this is not entertaining content, me figuring out what to do. But there's a lot. I feel like there's a lot of opportunities on red days. I want to sell more. But I think I'll leave some of my buying power for tomorrow or after tomorrow. I might film another video. If things keep going down, I'll go into, I might even go to Disney. Like I wouldn't mind Disney. They've been doing well. I'll go into some of these bigger companies. Like look at Spotify. 4% today. The low recently was around 200. Did you guys hear the train outside? Yeah, I think I'm going to stop here. This isn't entertaining for you, me searching for plays. But I'm going to save my plays hopefully tomorrow, maybe Wednesday. But let me know if you have any questions or concerns and tune in to the next one.